So today I'm going to change the rotors and the brakes. I'm going to show you why. This rotor right there broke right off of that. So I got to go get new rotors and brakes. I'll show you how I put them on. Okay, 15 years old, he's taking a tire off. Loosen them all up while the car's on the ground. Now he's jacking the car up. Grab it that way and that way on the two sides, not on top.
Okay.
Yep, that's it. We got one bolt here and one bolt up on top. Okay, get that out. Put your hand on here so the thing don't move. We're behind here. We got a bolt behind here and a bolt here. Gotta get this off. Gotta put some, make sure it's on there tight. Now pull hard, down hard. Hard. Harder. Get the pipe.
That didn't sound good.
That's it though. Alright, get it off. Getting the bottom one off.
Yeah, I think it's done, but it's not.
So I got that off. And these pins are moving, so that's a good thing. We'll just grease them up a little bit. We're going to put the new rotors on, and they have these holes here. And there's the holes there because they used to have pins when they first put it on. That's it. Got the rotor on.
Just how? Oh, like that.
Yeah. There. Now wait a minute. Okay, good. Now look at. Remember which ones are which. Take them off exact. So find out which ones go back on now. That one goes on there. See there, we got our brake pads on. No.
What's going on? What are you doing with yourself? Anything?
No, we gotta put them back on here.
Eagles, huh?
See?
Boy,
Put them back on.
He's some coach.
Okay, ready?
He stayed on the gas that whole game. He knew it.
I knew we had to, yeah.
Got it? Got them loosened up. Get that off. And then get that rotor off. That's that one. That one. Make sure they're good and tight. So now, just get my brakes pads, get them in there. That's one. That's the other one. You could put a little high-tech stuff on that if you want. That's that. And I want to get piston back there. I got that clamp in there. Make sure it's back all the way. I'll get that off. So, me being me, I broke the pin that went into there. So, just went up to the store, $11. They got a couple new pins. So I'm going to put some high temperature grease on there. Shove them back in. I'm in business. Put my brake caliper back on. I am in business. I'm in business. That's it. tire back on. Got it all done. Now we're putting the tire back on. Pick it up on the sides, not on the top. Get it in there.
Be on the side.
I'll put the tire back on. Start it by hand. Now it's on the ground. We tighten it up more. Grab that in, yeah. Alright, do the bottom next. Okay, the sides.
Why do you keep
And you're
switching
good.
things?
We're all done.
I think you have to fit them, right?
It's all the same size.